Oh man, I can't get these pipe cutters to work, man. Nothing's working here. Golly. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Come along, shall we? Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I thought I was recording before, and it turns out I wasn't. I'm definitely recording now, I hope. But I am the plumber for this, so I gotta replace the little pipe that I took out of there with another pipe, and I gotta set y'all up somehow where y'all be able to see me and be happy. Be happy, little YouTubers. Oh, I don't know if I can't really see that, but okay guys, hey, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. What's going on? I'm the plumber. Yeah, boy. Alright, so got my piece of pipe here to replace the pinhole leak. Nice in here. Get some Teflon. Put some Teflon on here. New stuff here. Let's see what's going on the way. The valves are still leaking water. Come here. Get off there. Teflon on there. It's a piece of steel galvanized coated pipe. The one that was on there was copper. I don't know if that's, you know, I don't think it's going to make a difference, but it don't really matter. Just put the Teflon on there. Teflon on the other side. Threads on this thing are so sharp it's cut. Get it on there. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna put this on here first. This is the flange that goes on there. But you know what I'll do? To make everybody happy, I got some pipe dope. Pro dope. I don't know how. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Put some pipe dope on there as well. Or on top of the Teflon.
Terry. Hey Terry, it looks like that you're shipping out today all the appliances for lane 223.
And thread this on there.
Alright. Yeah, these are good.
Tight as we can with hand. Actually, it went all the way up to the Teflon out of it. It went all the way up there without me. We can't even go any further. So that's gonna be as tight as it can get. Like snug it up as much as I can. Tight on shit. Oh shoot. I'm already there. Jammy. So This should screw into here, and then I need to make sure when I get it tight, it's going to be there. A little bit more pipe built. This is just going to help it not leak on us, but you know, maybe we'll be back here in 5 years or so, but for now, whoa, that'll help. That's a healthy dot, alright. So this is that aquatherm pipe. Alright, so alright, so there we go. Yeah, alright, so got the aquatherm pipe here, which you don't want to break. It's not that easy. It's not as brittle as PVC, trust me. I'm working on this thing. I was recording, but it didn't take the videos, so of me taking it apart. Maybe it did. Maybe it's just somewhere else in my files or something, but we're just going to thread this in. Make sure we're not going to cross thread anything. Get as tight as we can. We're going to work this with this wrench. Might get another turn out of that. Okay. Maybe one more. Maybe I get another turn out of that. Go. Maybe I'm lined up, maybe I'm not. We're about to find out. Oh, you know what? I've got it. Nasty. You're so nasty. All the time, just so nasty. Alright. So now I get this back on there. They didn't make it easy for me, guys. You know what? Yeah. I don't want to break. I don't want to break anything. I know this ain't the proper tool really to do this, but I'm gonna just, I mean, I got it off of there with no problems, but, well, no real problems, but get off this channel reel and I'll loosen it up and I'll be able to move the pump just enough. I'm talking, all I need is like 1/16 of an inch here. So I'll just take this top clamp off up here. There we go. Goes up there, screws. Alright. Yeah, now I can move it freely. Alright, well, here we go. Where's my bolts at? I had them up here. There's one. Where's my other bolts? Dude, seriously, what? You gonna do this to me? It's probably the 4th time I've messed with circulatorial pumps. Put them in, changed them out, changed seals on them. But my bolt's missing. Somebody took my dang bolt. Are you kidding me, man? Oh, there it is. Never mind. Well, this bolt goes on the back side. It's not an easy situation to be in, but that'll be alright. I've been worse. Grab that bolt on down there. There we go. And really all I have to, should have brought a smaller one, but this crescent wrench will work for now. You want to tighten these kind of evenly so that rubber thing will seat in there. This clamp's going to go back on here like that. I'm just going to clamp it back down with this little screw here. Just like that. That way it's out of my way a little bit. Alright. Tighten these down, tighten these bolts down. That's fine. Yeah. So I use my channel locks on the bottom. I didn't bring my wrench with me, my opening wrench. Why do I have a screwdriver? Oh my dear God. Come on, buddy. I got two of them. That wants to slip and stuff. That's not cool. Or just use channel locks. Alright. Use the wrench on the bottom, maybe that'll be the best thing to do. Let's see. Get her on there as good as we can. For a wrench to do this, but if this works, it works. Alright, I think we're good. Close this valve here and tighten this little puppy up a little bit more. Put the top clamp back on. So yeah, so we went from copper to, galvanized, but, this is just the return for the hot water. If I do have that video, I'll show you guys what'll be included in the video. So, let's use my flathead here to start getting things tight. I'm not going to go as tight as they had it because I think that was half of our problem being with a pinhole leak. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't have to be like down to 17,000 pounds, you know. Oops. Turn the damn thing on. There we go. So it ain't going nowhere. That's all I care about. Piped up, this, that, and the other. Let's turn this baby on. Alright. Turn some water on. Let's see what happens. Alright. I don't see no leaks. Let's turn on the other one. So we'll feel water flowing through it. We'll turn the sup pump on. I mean sup pump, the circulatorial pump. Now here's some cavitation. And here's stuff going very good. She's not a leaker, mama. Not anymore. Not a leaker. Just check my seals here. There's a little bit of moisture there, but I think that was prior. Hold on. Just getting a rag out here. I'm just going to wipe that off. See if it gets, I just want to make sure it doesn't have any leakers. Not even a slow leak. Alright, I'm getting full return now. Temperature's rising. I'll show you guys, hold on. Show you guys. So here's the repair. Everything's looking good, no leaks. Like I said, there was a little bit of moisture, but it's not getting any bigger. And the temperature should start rising fairly slowly. It's kind of a big return. But all the cavitation from the motor has, it's slowly rising. So it's slowly putting the return back into the cold water supply here. Which, either that's the hot water supply, I think. Actually, hold on one sec. No, it goes into the cold water. This is cold water side of the thermostatic valve, guys. This is called a thermostatic. For some reason, I had hydrostatic, like for a pool. Hydrostatic valve is for pools. This is a thermostatic valve, okay? I just wanted to correct myself there. I don't know why I'm saying hydrostatic. Not like anybody corrected me on it. I just realized when I got home and I did the editing, I was like, oh man, I said hydrostatic valve. But it is a static valve of some sort, and it's called a thermostatic mixing valve. So, yeah. She's stick around here for a little bit. And I might go ahead and tighten up the flange up here a little bit. It did get a little bit of moisture there, see that? So that's what I'll do. I'll just tighten that up. That'll stop that from leaking. Really wanted to bring some grease actually and put it on the O-ring before I did all this, but at least it's not leaking from here or here. Last time it was leaking from up here, so that's all she wrote right there. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, thanks for coming along, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Y'all stick in there. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.